Good morning, students. So in the last video we have seen the conversion of trigonometric ratios into the other trigonometric ratios. So in this video we learn about the trigonometric values. In class 10 we have learned some of the values of the trigonometric ratios. So now we will see some more in this video. So in class 10 what we have learned, just recapitulating, we have learned about 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree values of the trigonometric ratios. Say sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree. Here I have written in terms of radian because in previous video we have seen how degree and radian measure we can convert. Because 180 degree is pi radian. So 90 degree will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 radian. Radian means, see we can give 60 degree pi by 3, 45 degree pi by 4, 30 degree pi by 6 and 0 is 0 radian. Okay. So sine 0 degree is, sine 0 is 0. We have learned in class 10. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. That we have learned. Okay. Even cos is just reverse of that. If we reverse it, cos 0 is 1, then it will be root 3 by 2. This will be 1 by root 2. This is half and this is 0. Like that we have learned. And 10 is sine by cos. So like that way it is 0 by 1 it is 0. Then this one it is 1 by root 3. This is 1. This one is root 3 only. And 1 by 0 is undefined. So we write it as infinite. Okay. Similarly cot is reverse of 10. So it will be undefined. This is root 3. This is 1 by root 3. And this is 0. Reverse of undefined means 1 by 0 is 0 by 1. So it is like that. Sec will be reverse of cos. So it is 1. This will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. This will be root 2. This is 2. And this one is undefined. 0 it is, reverse of 0 is undefined. Cosec is reverse of sine. So 0's reverse will be undefined. This will be 2. This is root 2. This one is 2 by root 3. And this one is 1. So if we see this one, it is from 0 to 90 degree only. It is 0 to 90 degree. If we see, there is a quadrant. In coordinate geometry we have learned about the quadrants. Okay. So it is only first quadrant. Only first quadrant 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree. Only the first quadrant values only we have learned here. If it is more than this one. Okay. If it is more than this one, this is only first quadrant values we have learned. Okay. 0 to 90 it is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this one is fourth quadrant. You already know these things. Now only first quadrant values only we have learned. 0 to 90 degree. If it is more than 90, then how we can get the values? If it is more than say 180, then how we can get the values? If it is more than 270, then how we can get the values? So that things also will learn. Because here only 0 to pi by 2 we have learned. Here it is pi. Then it is 3 pi by 2. Then again it is 2 pi. Okay? This is pi by 2 or 90 degree. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And again it is 2 pi. So how we can learned that things. For that, a very easy formula I will give it. We have heard about ASTC bus. What is the meaning of ASTC? Assam State Transport Corporation. So remember that this ASTC. Remember that ASTC. Alright? What is this A means? A means all positive. A means all. S means sign. Okay? T means 10. And C means cos. Okay? Cos means it can be cos and sec. Here 10 means 10 and cot. Sin means sin and cosec. Alright? So why this I have written ASTC? Here all the trigonometric ratios, their values are positive. All positive. Here sin and cosec positive in the second quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. All other trigonometric ratios are negative. So remember that ASTC, this way anti-clockwise. So here all positive. Here we have seen that all values are positive values. Here no negative values. If we go to the second quadrant, so it is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. You have got in class 10 about the complementary angles. What was that? Sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta. Is it? That kind of thing. Only just you have got 90 plus theta. Alright? So sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is equal to sin theta we have learned. Why it is sin theta? If it is cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, then it is minus cos theta. Why? Tan 90 plus theta is minus tan theta. So it is cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Sorry, cos theta. When it is changing to that 90 plus theta, it changes like that. Complementary angle you have learned in class 10. So sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Why? Due to this ASTC. Look at that, sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means it will come to the second quadrant. Theta means it is an acute angle. So it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive value. So it is positive value it is. But when it is changing this 90 plus theta, means this line y-axis, when it is relating with y-axis, then it will sin will change into cos. Say cos 90 plus theta, cos changes into sin. When we consider this axis comparing with that, then it changes, cos will change into sin, sin will change into cos, tan will change into cot, okay, cot will change into tan, like that. But along this axis if we take, say sin 180 minus theta or pi minus theta, okay, pi minus theta, then it remains same. Sin will remain as sin. All the trigonometric cos also will remain as cos. Tan will remain as tan. But when we will consider this y-axis line in pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, when we will consider, when we use, then this sin will change into cos. But if you consider say pi minus theta or pi plus theta, when you use this line values, then sin will not change. That trigonometric ratios will not change into other trigonometric, means it is complementary. Sin and cos are complementary. We have seen here sin and cos are how complementary? Because sin 90 is cos 0. Why it is? Why this values has come? Or sin 60 and cos 30. Why this is same? This is due to the complementary formula only it is. Because look at that, sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is cos theta, right? Is it? It is cos theta. So look at that, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 90 minus, look at that. If we take say this example, sine 90 minus 60. Sine 90 minus 60. Theta is 60 degree. Then it will be cos theta. Cos of 30 degree. 90 minus 60 is how much? Cos 30 degree. Okay? Cos 30 degree. Look at that, 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 is 30 only. So here it becomes cos 30. When it is 90 we have used, it changes into cos. So sin 90, cos 60, what is the value? That will be cos 60, what is the value? That will be sin 30. Okay? And sin 60, what will be the value? That will be cos 30. That we are changing. Alright? Sin 30 will be cos 60 and so it is sin 30 only. Sin 30 it is cos 60. Look at that. 90 minus 60 is how much? 90 minus 60 is 30. So we are writing sin 60. If we write 90 minus 60, then it will become cos 30. Okay? It is cos of 60. Alright? Look at that. This is what? 90 minus 60 is what? Sin 30. 90 minus 60 can be written as 30. So this is equal to cos 60. So what is the thing? 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta will be equal to cos of theta only. That same theta. So 90 minus 60 if I write means 30 only it is. We are writing 90 minus 60. Then it becomes cos of 60. That's same 60 only. So it is sin 30 and cos 60 are equal values. So it is complementary ideas. So same way if we proceed to the more, then what it can be? How we can find the values of that? For that, very easy graph is there, sine graph. From that we can find these values very easily. What I have told, only should remember ASTC. Means here it is, if we make another table of this one, then you can understand very easily. I am making another table. So here I have made a table. What is the table? Here 90 minus theta means first quadrant or pi by 2 minus theta. 90 plus theta, it is second quadrant. Now second quadrant, one more way also can be written. It is 180 minus theta. Okay, so 180 minus theta. Then third quadrant, 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta. So 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. Alright. Then fourth quadrant, 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. And 360 plus theta means again it comes to the first quadrant. Alright. 360 plus theta or theta will be same. Now, what changes will happen if we use this kind of complementary things or supplementary things? Okay. I have told already, when you use this line, then sign will change into its complementary means cos. Alright? So what will happen? We should remember that here this ASTC will be used here to decide its sign. What will be the sign of that? And this 90, 270 will change into complementary. So sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta when it is there, this will become cos theta, cos of theta, because 90 minus theta is first quadrant, all positive, so here all that will remain positive only. Now when we change 90 plus theta, second quadrant, so 90 plus theta, sign will change into minus cos theta. 90 plus theta, okay, sign will change into cos, because sign only we are changing, so it will remain as positive, but it will change because we are using that complementary one, so it will become cos theta. Next, 180 minus theta. When we are using 180, this line, so sign will not change, sign will remain as sign. So in second, it is 180 minus theta is second quadrant, so sign will remain as sin theta only. Okay. Now 180 plus theta, it goes to third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative. Here sign and cosec are only positive. Third quadrant sign is negative. So what? Here 180 we are using or pi we are using. So sign will remain sign. So it will become minus sin theta. Okay. Next 270 minus theta. It is third quadrant. 270 minus theta. But we are using which line? This y axis. So sign will change in terms of cos. So it will become minus cos theta. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. So we are using 270 means y axis. So it will become minus cos theta. Okay. Next, when we are using 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. So when we are using 360 means this line, sign will remain as sign, but fourth quadrant value is. So it is minus sin theta. And 360 plus theta, so it is same only as theta, so it is sin theta only. First quadrant comes, it is sin theta. So what is happening here? Look at that. In this, it is first quadrant, so all will positive. In second quadrant, sign is positive, but here y change, we have used that y axis 90 degree, so it will change into cos. Okay. When you use 180 minus theta, then it remains as sin theta. Next, for cos also, 90 minus theta is, it is 90 minus theta, it will become sin theta. 90 plus theta, second quadrant, cos value is negative, so it will become minus sin theta. Why it is? Cos of 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Now 180 minus theta, when it is 180 minus theta, second quadrant, cos is negative, but when we are using this line, it will remain as cos only, so it is minus cos theta. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, we are using this line 180, so it will remain, cos will remain as cos only, but sin will become negative, so minus cos theta. Next, 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, cos is negative, but 270 cos will change into sin, so minus sin theta. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cos is positive, but 270 we are using, so it will become sin theta. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. So 360, this line we are using, so cos will remain cos, and in this quadrant it is positive, cos is positive, so it is only cos theta. And this is 360 plus theta, so it is cos theta only. Now see that how changes has occurred for y-axis and for the x-axis. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. if it is 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, here sin and cosec are positive, tan is negative, so it will become minus cot theta. Next 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, again second quadrant, but we have used 180, so it will remain minus tan theta. Okay, 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, third quadrant, tan is positive, 180 we have used, so it is only tan theta. Now same one, if we use 270 minus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus theta, then tan will change into cot theta, because here tan is positive in third quadrant. 270 plus theta, it is fourth quadrant, negative, so it will become minus cot theta. When you use 360 minus theta, it is also fourth quadrant, so it is minus tan theta. And this is tan theta, here all are positive. Same way, the others also. Okay? So, cot 90 minus theta will become tan theta. This is 90 plus theta, it will become minus tan theta. This will become 180 minus theta is minus cot theta. When it is 180 plus theta, so it will become cot theta. 270 minus theta will become tan theta. This is 270 plus theta, so it is minus tan theta. 360 minus theta will become minus cot theta, and this is cot theta. Similarly, sec in first quadrant, it will become sec this complementary is cosec, so it is cosec theta. Second quadrant, sec is negative, sin and cosec only are positive, sec is negative, so it will become minus cosec theta. This is 180 minus theta, so it is minus sec theta. 180 plus theta, again minus sec theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, sec is negative. Okay, so it will become minus cosec theta. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, sec is positive, cos and sec, so it is positive, so only cosec theta. If it is 360 minus theta, so it is only sec theta. Sec theta will remain same, 360, so it is sec theta only. Same here cosec, 90 minus theta is sec theta. 90 plus theta, it is second quadrant, cosec is sin and cosec are positive, so it is only sec theta. Now 180 minus theta, second quadrant again, sin and cosec, so it is cosec theta only. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, negative, cosec is negative, so it is minus cosec theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, so cosec will change into minus sec theta. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cosec will change, 270 we have used, so it will minus sec theta. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, cosec is negative, so it is minus cosec theta. And this is cosec theta. So this is why I have shown this table to get the idea about the sign and the complementary changes. To remember that only up to 360 degree. We can go same way, we can proceed more angles also. More angles also we can consider that way. Okay, by rotating anti-clockwise, or when we rotate clockwise it will become negative. Okay, now why I have used this one? What is the use of this? Say we want to find the value of sine of 750 degree. What is the value of sine 750 degree? How we can find out sine 750 degree? So what we will do it? We'll write. We'll use this kind of thing by extending. So 750 can be written as 2 into 360 plus how much? 2 into 360 is 720 plus 30. So 2 into 360 means, look at that, 2 into 360. One time when we rotate it is 360. So here 2 into 360 means one more time is rotation, so it is 720 and then 30 degree. 30 degree. So up to this much. This is the angle. How many times? 2 times after rotating here. Okay? So that angle is 750 degree. Now how we can find the value of that? How we can find the value of this? So 2 into 360. Here 360 plus theta it is there. So if it is multiple of 360 also will become the same. If it is multiple of 360, so it can be written as only, what is happening? Sine 360 plus theta is only what? Sine theta. So sine 2 into 360 plus 30 degree will be sine 30 degree only. Sine 30. So what is the sine 30 degree value? 1 by 2. So value of sine 750 degrees also 1 by 2. So that table will help us to find any value of the trigonometric ratios. Okay? If it is a minus, then we will rotate clockwise. When it is plus, we rotate it in anti-clockwise. When it is negative value, it will rotate it into clockwise, and then we will see which quadrant it falls, on which it is false. On that way, that value will be there. So this is also a very important table. In your book, only they have shown it with plus or minus like that it is. But here I have written in these things so that it can be easily understood by all of you in better way to find the values. Okay? So now one is given, question is given, sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay? You have to find the values of all other trigonometric ratios. So sin theta is minus 1 by 2. Which value of this will become minus 1 by 2? So we can see where is minus sin theta. It is 180 plus theta, or it may be 360 minus theta. These two values are sign negative. Negative values it is. Okay? So it must be 1 by 2 is what we know. 1 by 2 is sin 30 degree. So this will give you that it is 30 degree angle. Alright? So it can be written as sin 180 plus 30 or sin 360 minus 30. So what can be written? Minus sin theta can be written as sin of 180 degree plus 30. Okay? Or it can be written as sin of 360 minus 30. So both the ways can be written. Okay, so it is 180 plus 30 is sine 210 degree. So what will be theta? Theta is 210 degree. Sin theta is sin 210, means theta will be equal to 210. Now other trigonometric ratios how to find? If now it is in third quadrant, look at that 210 degree it is, falls in 210 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180, then 210 like that. So it is third quadrant it falls. This is 210 degree. Okay? So that way it will be given sin theta is minus half and it lies in third quadrant. Then what are the values of other? So third quadrant means 180 plus theta. By using that you can find all the other trigonometric values. Okay, other trigonometric values we can find. So that way it will help, this table will help a lot in finding all the other values of this trigonometric ratios. So with this you can do the exercise. Thank you for watching.